I said today, inshallah, we are going to make a review or revision about our chapter 6, Algebra, which is talking about system of equations and linear inequality and system of inequalities and solving system of linear inequality. في الweekly plan you will find the schedule which we are going to use it and the part which we are going to cover it during our term exam inshallah. So let's start with the first question. Determine which of the points is a solution of the following system of equations. If there anyone can remind me how many ways did we study to solve a system of equations?
C.
Who? Yes, Jana. Jana Guda. Jana.
Yes, Mr. Har.
Yeah, Habibi. Could you please tell me how many ways did we study to represent the system of equation this year or in this chapter? How many ways?
2.
Two, which is?
Graphically by y equal mx plus b.
Mm-hmm. And?
And substitution.
Okay.
By substitution.
Okay, if you want to say substitution, so this one it will be, you said the first part is graphically, right? So the second part it will be
Yes.
algebraically, right? So to solve system of equation, to solve system of equation, so we have two ways, or we studied two ways, by graphing and by algebraically. Okay, so as Jana said, we can solve a system of equation graphically and algebraically. If you want to graphically and algebraically. Bomika. Bomika.
Yes, Mr.
Please tell me if you want. Yes, honey. Yes, I can hear you. If we want to represent or to solve a system of equation graphically, do you remember how we are going to rearrange the equation?
Slope-intercept form.
A slope-intercept form, yes, which is?
Y equal x.
Y equal what?
Y equal mx plus b.
Mx plus b. Yes, thank you. So we can say B or C, whatever. Both are the same. Thank you. If you want to answer algebraically, how many ways did we study if you want to answer algebraically? See, algebraically, how many ways did we study?
I know, Mr. Har.
Yes, go on, honey.
In substitution and elimination.
Yes, thank you. So we studied by substitution, right? And the second one is eliminations. Thank you. With substitution or eliminations, it's up to you to use one way to solve a system of equations. Then, this is the part which we already studied about solving system of equations by graphically or by algebraically. Now we will start to solve the first question. This is the first type of questions which we can find it or which we can have it in this chapter. Determine which of the points. So you have three choices in front of you now, and you have two equations, and I'm looking for the answer. So please, who can answer this question and tell me? Abdullah. Abdullah.
Yes, miss.
You can answer this question, honey. Y equal 4x minus 1, y
Yeah,
equal
miss, you have to put the points together, like
the points. You will put the points?
3 with y.
No. You want to check each point to find the answer? You want to check each point to find the answer, Ya
Yes,
Abdullah?
yes.
It will take a long time. What about if the question is not multiple choice? Concentrate with me,
Yeah,
Abdullah, please. I will back to
substitution.
you again. Tell me, huh? If you.
Yeah, miss, the substitution اللي هو like say the first one 1 and 3, you will make it 1 equals لا 3 equals 4 multiplied by 1 minus 1.
Okay, then 4 multiplied by 1 equal 1. Then,
1.
huh?
And then minus 1 equals 3.
The right answer, it will be first order pair, 1 and 3. This is your choice.
Mm.
Yes. So what about if you would substitute in the second equation? You said 1 and
So
3, right?
3 equals 2 plus 3.
Okay, so it will be 3 equal 2 plus 3, right?
5.
2 plus 3, which means 3 equal 5. Is this correct?
No.
No. So 1 and 3, it will not be the right answer. Right?
Mm.
Then by this way, you are going to continue till you will find the answer, right? But take care, if it's a solution, it should be satisfy the both two equations together. Then, Abdurrahman Abu Talib. Abdurrahman Abu Talib.
Yes, miss.
Could you please answer this question, honey? Y equal 4x minus 1 and y equal 2x plus 3. Could you please tell me how we can solve this question? Abdurrahman. Where are you? Abdurrahman. Okay, answer ya Adhan.
First, we will multiply the second equation by -2.
Okay, by this way, you are using eliminations, right?
Yes.
Yes. So if you want to answer the question by eliminations, so you have to rearrange first to put it in a standard form equation, right?
We'll make it, yes.
Then?
Negative 4x plus y equals -1, and negative 2x plus y equals 3.
Okay. Fine. Let me say something. Maybe it will be more faster. In this one, you have already y. You have y equal 4x minus 1 and y equal to x plus 3, right? So you can
solve it by substitution.
Yes, solve it by substitution. Yes, it will be more easier, which means you will use y equal 4x plus 1. So it will be 4x minus 1 equal 2x plus 3. Then 4x minus 1 equal 2x plus 3. Then now we will combine the like term together. Then Salma, could you please continue?
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Adam. Salma?
Welcome, Miss.
Yes.
Could you please continue, honey?
4x minus 2x.
Yes, 4x minus 2x equal
3 plus 1.
3 plus 1, yes. Then
يبقى 2x equal 4.
how many?
2x equal 4.
Yes, 2x equal 4, which means x equal how many? How many? 2. Yes?
2.
Yes, 2. What is the next step? We want to find what? What is the next step? We want to find what?
We're going to do 2 times 2 plus 3.
Yes, which means we are going to back to the equation to substitute to find the value of y. So it will be 2 times 2 plus 3. Then the answer, it will be 4 plus 3 equal how many? Equal 7. Then it will be 2 and 7. Right? So the answer, it will be 2 and 7 for those two equations. If you want to check your answer, is there anyone can tell me how we can check our answer? Hanahani.
Yes, yes, Miss.
How we can check the answer?
We will choose an equation
Mhm.
and we will substitute or
Yes.
replace.
It could be substitute in only one equation, or it should be satisfy in both two equations in the same time.
Both two equations.
Yes, both two equations in the same time. Yes, thank you. I appreciate. Let's move to the next question. Which is the solution of the system of equations? What we have to do quickly. Yalla
بس
Abdullah.
ممكن أقول
Abdullah, لا, Abdullah, because he can't answer in the first time. Abdullah, did you left?
No, miss.
Okay, honey. I already explained how we can solve this question. Did you got anything?
Yes.
Yes. Could you please tell me?
Miss, we will keep on
Yes.
substituting the x with the y until we find the correct one.
So how we will answer this question?
We can use the substitution method.
Okay, tell me how we will find the substitution method. Tell me.
X minus 4 equals negative 3x.
Thank you. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Yes. So it will be x minus 4 equal negative 3x, right? So x minus 4 equal negative 3x. What is the next step? What is the next step?
We put the x on the other side.
Thank you. We will put the x on the other side, which means we will put x and then we will transfer negative 3x. It will be plus 3x, and this is equal 4. Then it will be 4x equal 4, which means value of x equal what, grade 9? Value of x equal
1.
1. So we will take it and we will back to substitute. You can substitute in any one. Then y equal negative 3 times 1. Then the answer will be equal negative 3. Then 1 and negative 3. So this is, it will be the right answer. So the first part, to substitute, or sorry, to solve two equations, and you will find the order pair which it will satisfy both two equations together. So example 3, it has the same meaning. Now let's check the second type of questions in this lesson. How we can solve two equations together graphically. How
ممكن أقول
Can I say?
yes. Okay,
مين
Hafela,
أنا
go
ولا
on.
Okay.
Hafela,
First,
You will start somewhere for the first one.
Miss, I have a way. يعني can I make it with a way? يعني I can make it with it. يعني ممكن أعملها بطريقة تانية.
Feel free to tell me your way, Yusuf.
Or make 3x minus 1 equal 2x plus 4.
Okay, and then?
And then 3x minus 1 equal negative 2x plus 4.
But by this way, Hafela, by this way, you are looking for the answer directly without graphing, right? You substitute. You use substitution method.
Yeah.
Right? But we are looking for graphing. We want to solve this one by graph. So, we will start the first one by where we have to stand. Y equal 3x minus 1. So we will stand where?
At 3.
No, you will start on y intercept. And let me revise with all the class something. What do you notice about the slope in this question? Sama. Sama. Sama.
Sahar. Yes.
What do you know about the slope in this question?
Which question? 1 or 2?
Question 1. Where is the slope for the first equation?
3.
3. And the slope for the second equation is?
-2.
-2. So what do you expect when you will start to represent them graphically? We have 3 cases, right? This is which case, Yasama? Y equal 3x minus 1, y equal -2x plus 4. So we said here, the first one, the slope equals 3.
Intersect at 1 point.
Intersect at 1 point. Thank you. Which means we have only one solution. You can tell me the 3 cases, Yasama, or you can't remember? We said when we have different slope and we have same slope, we have 2 cases. You can tell us?
One solution or 2 solutions. Sorry, many solutions.
Yes.
Or no solutions.
Or no solution. Thank you so much. So it depends on how many solutions. But if you want to represent them graphically, so as you said in this in the first question, we have different slope. So different slope, when we will start to represent them graphically, it will be intersecting line. And once we have same slope, different y-intercept, it will be same slope, different y-intercept. Is there anyone can tell me when we will start to represent it graphically, it will be what? Same slope,
Yes.
different y-intercept. It will be, yes.
It will be parallel, Miss.
Very good. It will be parallel. And how many solutions?
Infinite.
If they are parallel.
No solution. No
solution.
Yes, no solution. But if we have same slope and same y-intercept, it will be
infinite solution.
Infinite number of solutions. Yes. So if we will start to present this one graphically, we will go with the first equation and we will stand where Jannah goes. Jannah.
Yes, Miss.
We will start
on -1.
Yes, on -1. Thank you. And after that, what we have to do, Jannah?
We'll move 3 over 1 by 3 over rise over run.
Yes, very good. Rise over run, which means we will start to count up how many units?
3.
Yes, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then?
And 1 on the right.
And 1 on the right. If I want to continue, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 to the right. Thank you, Jana. Zena.
Yeah.
Zena. Zena. Zena left ولا sleep?
down to 2 point يعني we'll move to the down يعني
2 points down because the slope is -2 over what? -2 over 1. So we will go and we will stand on 4, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will stand here on 4. And after that, we have 2 units down, 0, 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. Then 0, 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. 0, 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. After that, we will connect the points together, which means the answer in this question, it will be what, grade 9? Ahmad Uta? Ahmad Uta, the answer in this question, it will be Uta? Ahmad Uta left? Okay, Hannah Hani, answer please.
Yes, miss.
Could you please tell me what is the answer for this question, Johanna, now?
Yes, it is 1 and 2.
It will be 1 and 2. Thank you, Johanna. Thank you, Habib.
Welcome.
So this is how we can represent a system of equations graphically. And in this sheet, you will find the rest of the questions so you can answer it and you can send it to me. We will move to the next one for solving system of inequality. So we can also say that if you want to solve by substitution method, so you will substitute the value and then you will find the value of x and the value of y.
Miss, could I answer this question?
Oh, which question, Yahfela? Question number 1?
Yeah.
Okay, go on, honey. Go on. Y equals 7x minus 10 and y equal negative 3. So how we can solve this question?
We'll make 7x equal negative 3 plus 10.
Okay, so first you will substitute, which means 7x minus 10 equal negative 3, right? And then negative 7x
negative 3 plus 10.
Negative 3. Is this negative 3 or 3? I think it's 3.
No, negative 3.
Negative 3? Okay. So it's negative 3 plus, because you will transfer it, plus 10. Then we have 7x equal how many, Yahfela?
7x equal 7.
7. Very good. Then the value of x equal?
The value of x equal 7 over 7. Equal 1.
Very good, very good, very good. Then now the solution set. Could you please tell me what is the solution set? You want to back to find the value of y or you have it already?
No, we need to have the value of y. So we will put 1 on 7x minus 10 instead of
x. So, okay, which means you want to replace in the first equation. So it will be y equal 7 times 1 equals 7 minus 10 equal negative 3. Or you can find it from the second equation directly, y equal negative 3. Did you see this one?
Yeah.
You have already the value of y, then it will be 1 and negative 3.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Farah Mahla, yes?
Ms. Sahar,
yes.
can I answer number 2?
Who is talking?
Noor.
Noor. Go on, ya Noor. Okay, answer, honey.
Yes.
Miss Sahar, did you call me?
Farah Mahlab, yes, I attempt to ask you a question, but Noor want to ask, so I want to hear her voice.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Noor.
First, we're gonna substitute y equal negative 8 into y equal negative 2x.
So you want to substitute in the second equation, I'm going to put negative 8, right?
Yes, negative 8.
Yes.
Equal negative 2x.
Very good.
Negative 12.
Negative 12. Thank you, Noor. What is the next step? It will be?
Solve for x.
Solve for x.
Negative 8.
So
equal
negative 8. You don't want to transfer negative 12 to the opposite side? Yes? No. You will combine the number in one side, negative 8 plus 12. Right?
Okay.
Equal negative 2x. Then negative 8 plus 12 equal how much, Monica? Yes, yes, Yanur.
8.
4.
Can I use calculator?
4. Negative 8 plus 12, it will be equal 4. Equal
4.
Negative 2. Hey, Yanur,
x equal negative 2.
Negative 2x, which means, yes, as you said.
Which means y equal negative 8.
Very good. So x equal negative 2 because you will divide it by both, and then already we have the value of y. Then it will be negative 2 and negative 8.
-8.
I appreciate your answer. Thank you. Okay, let's move to the next part.
بس سوري لو حضرتك ندهت عليا وما جاوبتش، أنا كنت في التويليت.
Okay. Let's answer by substitution here. So using substitution in this question also. In this booklet, you will find questions about substitutions, eliminations, graphing, solving equations, solving inequality, and it will be available in our SMS folder, the third term revision. Okay, then once you will open algebraic solving system of equation algebraically by eliminations. فرح محلى.
Yes, Miss صح.
You can see the first question, negative 2x plus 3y equal 40, 2x plus 5y equal 24. How we can find the answer or how you can solve this question? It's already, we can start to simplify, or you are looking for one more step?
No, we can start to simplify.
Yes, we can start to simplify. Could you please explain to me what's your reason?
Because when we add the equation, negative 2x plus 2 is going to be equal 0.
Thank you. Because you have already what? You note that you have what here?
The additive inverse?
Yes, thank you so much. You have the number and the additive inverse. And as we said before, it doesn't matter if you will start with the variable x or with y. Once you have the number and its additive inverse, so we can add directly. Thank you, Farah. Debulina.
Yes, Miss.
Could you please continue? Here in this question, we have a number and we have its additive inverse. So as Farah said, we can add directly, which means negative 2x plus 2x now. It will be how many? Negative 2x plus 2x now. It will be how many?
It will only be x.
Sorry?
We will get 1. The answer negative 1.
No, negative 2 plus 2 equal how many? 0. You have the number and its additive inverse, so you can cancel this. But then we will start with y, so you have now 8y equal, you will add 40 plus 24, it will be how many? 64.
64.
And then you will divide both by 8, then y equal 8. Then you will take it and you will back to substitute, and then you will find the value of x. Okay, then as I said, you will find this sheet available in our SMS.